Hello you absolute legends, welcome back to the channel. It's John here with you for another video, this time something a little bit different. And if you've come this far, you've clicked on the video and you've seen the thumbnail, you'll know that it's something a little bit different today that I have bought for me, for my own personal use. It's this then. It's an Ifor Williams twin axle box trailer. Yeah, a little bit different, as you say, to the normal content on the channel, but I thought a few people might be interested in seeing it and learning about it and having a look inside one in case you've fancied one and just wanted to know a little bit more about them. It's my first experience with one of these. A friend of the family through my mum has sold it to me. They didn't need it anymore, and so I've said, yeah, actually that could be probably quite handy. And who else would buy something like this than me, the eccentric guy who probably doesn't need a trailer but has bought a trailer. It's around 4 meters long. Now that includes the hitch, and it's around 1.5 meters wide. It's quite thin actually. It's thinner than a normal car trailer, and you can't get much in it car-wise. You get a couple of motorbikes in it, maybe a smart car. But I thought I'd just give you a tour around the box trailer, just as a little bit of an interesting video. If you've come this far, then you've obviously clearly got an interest in trailers. So it's made by Ifor Williams Trailers. It's a well-known galvanised frame with this sort of hardboard side. And I honestly don't know when it was made. I think it's about 2005. They've had it since, and they bought it from Barnwell Trailers local, which is Oundle in Peterborough, and it still wears all its original stickers and bits and pieces. It's got jockey wheel at the front and the hitch. Obviously all the electrics are on there as well. Spare wheel on the front here, and we've got a door to access in there at the moment. We've got side lights on the side here. And yeah, that is the trailer. We've just picked it up then. We've picked it up from our friend's house. It has come preloaded with a load of stuff, and that stuff is included in the sale. It's stuff I've got to get rid of. That was part of the deal. And the way that we brought it home is Dad went and picked it up. You'll see the photograph in the thumbnail. And we had a number plate attached here with Velcro. We should be getting a proper square number plate on the back there. And my intention is to pull it with the snail van. It's already got a tow bar, it's already got the electrics. So we should be getting a square number plate made up there. So let's have a quick look around it then before we end the video, I suppose. As I say, it's not going to be a very exciting video. We've got locking rear doors then. These don't fold down, they open out, and you can pin them back with these pins that lock into place like so. Number one. As I say, it's full of stuff. It's actually full of an art exhibition. This is for putting art equipment in, canvases that are for sale. I've got all sorts of boards and bits and pieces, tables, tools. This is a disc lock. It's come with a wheel lock as well, which is useful, always handy to have. On there, I've got the keys for that, so good piece of kit, one of those. This door is opened with a pin, and again, it opens back and you can pin it back. So let's do that. I'll try and do that one-handed. Might not be as easy as I initially thought. There we go. My nails are filthy because I've been messing about with trailers. So yeah, that's the internal load space, and it's really difficult to judge, I know, because it is absolutely chock-a-block full of all this art equipment, art exhibition equipment, stuff. What have we got in here? Yeah, stuff, and there's a sign, I think, art for sale, tables, chairs, and that will be going, but that will be organised at a later date. So that's that internal load space. And you've also got, around the front here then, the alternative access door, which has its own key. These are the keys. and again, full of rubbish. But you can see the load space at the back there as well. So what's the plan, what's the intention? Well, the intention is to get it all cleaned out, get all the stuff away and maybe sold. If anyone wants an art exhibition, let me know. And keep it for personal use. And I'm sure I'll now be quite a popular person among friends, because the word will get round, won't it, that I've got a trailer now. You become a popular person, don't you, among friends, when you end up buying yourself a van or a trailer. And that's it. That is the Ifor Williams trailer that I've just bought. The hitch here, we've obviously got the jockey wheel, which is down at the moment. The electricity cable, we've got a breakaway cable, and this all locks as well, the hitch. I've got a hitch lock. And the handbrake, of course. Let's put that on. Stop it from probably wheeling back on this cold, frosty day in Lincolnshire. That's it then. Just a quick video showing you the trailer. Hope you've enjoyed it. Have you got one of these? What do you use it for? Is there anything I should buy? Any sort of mods I can get? Maybe some cool wheel centre caps? Some rims, alloys? What would you use it for? How do you use yours? As I say, any mods or accessories that I should get, please let me know in the comments below. And if you've enjoyed the video, again, a different one, I know, please give it a like and a subscribe. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, please do so. I'm on Twitter and Facebook and the Instagram and the TikTok. It's John Coupland, all one word. And until next time, from this frosty morning in Lincolnshire, have a great day, whatever you're up to. Take care. Bye-bye.